What's that? It's a rope! Incredible! I love skipping. I'm so incredible, I'm so important, My go! I'll take that. I. Did I hear my name? Did someone say I? I. Let's jump high. I. Only I can say I. I-G-H-I. No! I am I. I say I.
Total tomfoolery. Time for tea times 2. Tight. Tight? That's not very tight. That's tight. It's a tight rope. We're on a tightrope. Tight? No way! What's everyone doing up there? No! Net. Tent.
I want to get down! But how? I. Nice! Too high! We want to get down! R and friends to the rescue! Who wants to rescue them first? I. Light. We're lovely and light. That wasn't right. We're still stuck on the tightrope. Next, rescuer. I.
Night. Typical. Who turned the lights off? Terrible. Try again.
We must get it right. R to the rescue, me hearties. I. Right.
We have to get it right this time.
But what's the right thing to do? Right. That must be right. We got it right.
Alphablocks. A round of applause for I-G-H. Everyone, one more trick.
All right. Ready, me hearties? I. Fright. Fright! Alphablocks! Oh.
for tea. Definitely.
Teacup.
Typical.
Teapot.
Terrible.
Hat.
Total tomfoolery.
Oh!
Don't you dare! Stop eating everything, Em! Time for you-know-what.
Oh!
Toad!
Magnificent. Mine.
My teacup! My teapot! Don't you dare!
Oh!
Mine.
Goodness, what's that noise? That's a funny frog. A lovely toad, not a frog. Cracking croak. Good grief!
Toad has a terrible tongue!
Stop eating everything, Toad!
Time for you-know-what!
Come on, T. Oh! Coat!
Marvellous! Look at me! More magic! Quick!
Let me try. Oh! Coal! Careful, Em. Don't eat coal.
My, oh my!
Go! Oh! Go!
Tally-ho!
Oh! Goat!
Meh. Meh.
Good grief!
Meh. 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 Meh.
My turn.
Oh!
Moat. My, oh my!
Look at this! Oh! Loaf! Super! That smells scrumptious.
Total tomfoolery. Try this.
Oh! Toast! Super! Lovely! Cool!
Time for tea and toast. Where's my teapot?
Oh!
Tea? Anyone?
Oh! Alphablocks! Bother! I can't sleep. I wish someone would tell me a bedtime story. Okay. Oh. Look. Me. That's me. But what is a book? Be careful.
Look, it's tea. Time for tea.
This is fun. Stop being silly.
Will do.
Once upon a time. There was a little girl called Little Red Riding... Hey, what have you done with the last word?
It must have dropped out. Disaster!
Better do something to put it back.
Good. Try this. Hood.
Little Red Riding Hood. Yes, that's right. Well done.
Hooray!
Little Red Riding Hood was never ever bad. In fact, she was always...
Ooh. Cool.
Cool? Are you sure? Okay, it's your story. One day, Little Red Riding Hood decided to visit her grandmother, who lived on the other side of a deep, dark...
Ooh.
Moon. Moon? Don't you think wood might be better? We like moon. Just then, from behind a tree, out jumped a big, bad...
Woof. Woof.
Woof. It's supposed to be wolf. The wolf was called the Big Bad Wolf because he was very big and very...
Good.
Good? So the big, good wolf kept Little Red Riding Hood safe as they walked to her grandmother's...
Ooh.
Boat. Boat, of course. What else? When the wolf saw Grandma, he began to lick his lips. Yum, 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 growled the wolf. I'm very, very hungry. But the wolf was a very good wolf, and indeed a very good...
Cook.
So he went into the kitchen and made them all lots of delicious...
Ooh.
Food.
food. And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Hey, that was fun! Let's play again! Why does that always happen?
We can laugh, ha-ha. We can sing, la-la-la-la.
We can make
Anything. Hold my hand. Make a magical land.
When letters get together, we go alakazam!
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the Alphablocks?